my next burr or remodel, flip, whatever you want to say, but I'm gonna burr it and do a walk around. Old doors, original doors. It was built in 52. I think the windows are original and they got some storm doors. So for the exterior issues is mainly windows, both doors. These doors got to be replaced. And then this front porch, I don't know if I'm going to demo it or re-tuck point it. The problem is you'll notice there's water damage in the basement because of this. It's slanted back. There's obviously no gutters here. So this is a big spot where water collects in the basement. But I want to do a good walkthrough to show you everything before. So we have a nice before and after video when it's renoed and it gets rented out. So we're going to walk in. It was smoked in. I don't know what works electrical wise. So you have the original asbestos tile down here. Again, like I said, I don't know if I got it in the first video, but built in 52. So it's a pretty decent house. It's got a half bath downstairs here. Plumbing stack is original, but the good thing is when it was built in 52, the copper goes all the way to the third floor bathroom. We got a half bath on the third floor, full bath on the main floor. Updated electrical panel. Old guy lived here and just went to a nursing home and picked it up off my aunt. We got I think it's a 2014. Yeah, 2014 furnace, 2016 hot water tank, and it's 2022. This is his workroom. I'm gonna more than likely do all the windows down here. Don't know yet. Just really want to emphasize a before video here. Get as much of this as I can. All this tile's got to be chipped up and removed if I rent it out or even if I flip it. So in here, I'm considering doing a finished room, adding electrical, and, you know, just making this a half-finished basement. And then here, this wall here is the wall that the front porch is right here. So all the water collects here and obviously was getting in. But there's no settlement. I don't see any major cracks or any issues like that. And I think most of it just comes down to me needing proper gutters and then fixing the steps up front. And then once we paint all this and scrape it, and everything will be really nice down here. So it's basically a time capsule. I don't know if they built it, what level owner they are, but I just know that everywhere you walk through here, it's basically all original. And these are all the original wood doors. Original kitchen, for sure. It's in pretty good shape. Sorry, I'm getting a preview walkthrough before and after video. So, this is first bedroom on the left. That's where the guy stayed. So we're in the stage 2 now. We're doing a clean out. We're going through everything. Outdated windows. Hardwood floors we're going to refinish. Got damage there. Sold light fixtures. Don't know what that's all about. But everything works. It's amazing. I mean, there's no issues with anything mechanically. Bathroom's real gritty. We don't know what all this crap is. We don't know if this is fecal or we have no idea. But this more than likely is going to be gutted. Probably going to gut this bathroom. And do new tile, new tub and everything, but I'm not fully sure yet. It just depends on what we need to do when it comes to the budget. Basic rooms, you know, hardwood floors. There was a leak that was repaired. This is most of the damage from it. There's a few spots, and then mainly upstairs you'll really see it. Again, hardwood floors throughout. This door was kicked in by the police for a wellness check. So that's all busted up, so that's got to get replaced immediately. But other than that, everything's really square and functioning, and it's basically really cosmetic in here, just normal updates. I'm gonna gut the kitchen, probably do all new electrical because it's knob and tube. Even though we got good copper, we got good copper plumbing everywhere. What we don't have is modern wiring. So I don't know if I'm gonna gut rooms and try to get, you know, brand new wire in, but definitely gonna do all kinds of different stuff. These bathrooms will be gutted for sure. Probably not the drywall, I don't know. I mean, there's no real need to go that far. And luckily, so you got some steel nipples, but I found out all the plumbing is copper because, like, so you have steel drains, like the old school, that's original. But I looked in the access panel. Probably don't have the light. Yeah, hang on a minute here. And you can see the main drains are copper. All the supply is copper. So built in 52. A really cool thing is you can't tell, but there's actually a whole room back there. Super cool. Got all kinds of valuables and things in there. Not valuables, but like stuff that's worth something. And this is all the roof damage just from it getting wet. I don't know, probably just, you know, it's not pulling off the lath or anything. So really, I think we can just skim coat this and scrape, skim coat and repaint it. House is just really in good shape. I mean, even the old wood windows, they function. They don't have any issues. They all work. They all lock. It's just obviously they don't have the good the R value. So it's a pretty basic house. 3 bed, 1 bath, 1 full bath and 2 half baths. I even considered possibly bringing this out and putting a shower in here. Somewhere over here, so I have a full bath upstairs, but I don't know. We'll see. Depends on what we decide. So yeah, that's it.